Ready?
Winnie the Pooh, Winnie the Pooh, shabby little Gario with slippery Winnie the Pooh, silly Lily Willy Bill.
Good job.
Hi, Mommy.
Hi, Ella. Are you a sweetie pie?
No.
No?
Nope. Happy?
But you are happy?
Sad. Sad?
You're silly.
I'm sad.
I'm sorry. Are you sad because you're not a sweetie pie?
Can you make me feel better, Mommy?
I love you.
Make you feel better, Mommy?
I did. I said I love you. That should make you feel better. Who do you love?
Grammy and Bobbin and then Grammy and Bailey.
Yeah. Who else do you love?
Daddy and Mommy and Milo and Cat.
Yeah, Milo is a cat. Who else?
Who else, Mommy? I do not love anyone. Can you help me tell Mommy? You can help me tell Mommy. You can help me tell Mommy.
Yes, honey.
You can.
Count them.
1, 2, 3.
Here. Okay, now count them.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
9 crackers. That's good counting.
Can I count one more piece of crackers? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 3, 2, 1, 5.
What happened that time?
Can I count again?
Sure.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
That's right. Can you sing the ABCs?
I cannot. I can make funny faces.
Yes, we can. Ella, can you whistle?
You can whistle too, Daddy. You can whistle too, Mommy.
You can whistle too, Ella.
Open. Closed. Open, open, open. Closed. Yes!
Can you do fast and slow?
I can do fast and slow again.
Yes. Which is fast and which is slow?
That's fast and that's slow.
That's right. What are you eating?
Mm, 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 mm.
That's good.
Mm, 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 mm. I eat my whole piece of sandwich.
You made a whole piece of sandwich? What kind of sandwich?
Peanut butter. Peanut butter one. Peanut butter.
Peanut butter and what?
Peanut butter jelly sandwich.